Hello guys, so I have today a tree swing, but I don't have a big of a tree. So I will use my pergola. I have one spot right here. I think it will hold it good. So comes with the manual, with whatever it comes. So here's the base. I think it holds, it's called like 400 pounds, I think so. Here is a rope. Here is all of the necessary tools, bolts and nuts. Here's the belt to go over the branches. I will not do over the branch. But I will do over the 2x4. Just like that. Here we go, just like that. Let's go ahead and connect our base. So I have so many pieces, and there are bolts and nuts right here. Okay. Okie dokie. First, let's make a circle. So there is only one way only. So you cannot put this way because it's same size. So you have to put this way, and let's do the whole thing all around it. So the big circle. Wow, it's gonna be a really big circle. I think my pergola is gonna be too little for this thing. I think I might use something else for it. Wow, the circle is coming up really big. Just like this, and like that. Okay. Okay, here is a circle. So there is supposed to be 7 of these ones. Install, bolt, and nut. And this is the Loctite nuts. So bolt, and here is a nut with the Loctite. Okay guys, so I just made a mistake. Don't repeat my mistakes. I made my circle way too fast. So you have to actually put these ones. Have to put inside just like so. So let's correct our mistake. And put it all the way through every single loop. Okay, finally we're going to the last piece. So big ones and insert in small one. Just like that. A nice circle. So now what we're looking at, the bolts and nuts. So we got to insert like that. Well, other side, you have to tie it. And there is a range and just twisting it. Twisting. Okay, for the best result, we should get a power drill. Oh yeah, job is going way faster. But make sure we have a rope also. So this rope, I'll just get one side. This rope also goes through the right here. So the rope goes and tie it right here. And you have to put the rope on the sides. Right here. Right over here. Sides. So probably a few bolts right here. And then this one, and then a bolt again, and then this thing, and then 2 bolts, something like that. We have a 7, 2 ropes, 1 net, and some bolts, nuts. So it's 7 of them. So I guess you have to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probably 2 here, 1 here, and 2 and 2. Okay, so I'm putting the last one.
I'm taking these ones out.
Last one goes just like that. Let's put a knot. Okay. And then with the key, just keep rotating.
I'm taking 4 now.
Okay, looks like all the bolts and nuts are installed. Just like that. So after that, giving the rope. Giving the locks. Untie it, twist, put through the ring, same as on this side, untie it, just like that. to get our hammock out. Something like this. And connect just like this. Okay, so to readjust, there is a loop. Pull it. Yes, you got to play with it. I got tangled. Okay, so pulled. Just like that. Same for here. Let's put it all aside. Wanna try it?
That was my bill shoot. It's clean.
Hey, sit on it. More, farther. Here. Woohoo!
That's like a roller coaster.
Still looks like the swing is a little bit low. So what I was thinking, what should I do?
I'm gonna lie on that right now.
I will make one spin, maybe two spins. Yeah, just like this. Just like this. Something like this. Now it's way higher.
Okay, I'm going on it.
Okay, try it. No, wait, it's on the curve. Oh. Woohoo! So this is readjustable, or you can hold for it. Don't fail. Okay, we're all set, guys.
Here.